Craig, what's up?
And you
I'm in the meeting. Is everything okay? Not yet. Okay, bye-bye.
and you pay him cash on the spot
No,
for the
you don't pay him anything. Airbnb takes it out of your earnings.
okay. So he just does it and just goes with the fee, whatever Airbnb is paying him or
Right.
her.
Yep.
Okay.
Right. And so the nice thing is you don't have to front the money. Airbnb will just hold back your earnings. That makes sense? Yeah.
Yes, it makes sense.
Okay. So we talked about occupancy. We talked about what we need to do before we open doors. We talked about how to get your places to stand out. And we talked about setting rates. Did I miss anything? Okay. All right. Let me get back into our agenda then. When we're gonna have a hard stop at 8:15. Hard stop. Um, all right. All right. So attraction marketing. So I spent the last 5 days working with this gentleman who it was crazy. It was about 800 people on the Zoom. This guy lives in Dubai. So it was 12 noon our time. I think it was 7 o'clock his time. And then I had one of the coaches because I had more questions because I wanted to know what I needed to know before I joined the mastermind. And he set me up with a 7 o'clock, like a 6 a.m. call. And it was like 3 p.m. in Dubai. But so you guys have access to this in the Facebook group, all of these links. But literally, so you go here. So so let me kind of explain. He talks about that the reason that you want to grow your social media presence is because no matter how many businesses you have, you can monetize your mess. Because anything that you've overcome, you can actually monetize the message and how you overcame it. So it's kind of crazy, like, because we want our kids to go to school and learn all this stuff, but just learning life, getting through life, is going to give you a lesson in and of itself that can help other people. Like so outside of the Airbnb, as you guys know, or some of you guys know, that I'm up 100K and down 100 pounds. So what my message is how people can turn the corner and live healthier lifestyles. So other people's message could be they overcome an abusive relationship, or they were depressed, or they were extremely anxious, or they had a volatile relationship that they count. So everybody has a bunch of mess. And what he was teaching us is the value of being able to, when we call it attraction marketing, what does that make you guys think of?
Like people may relate to your story by they may be going through the same thing you going through, or